Hello everybody. Today we will be betting 160 across. That is 5 units on all of the numbers. And we will be aiming for a 5-score hit game. We will also be playing the all tall small with $5 on each. Also a $5 minimum table. Here we go. Here's a come out. And I am working. 5, 4, 9. 9 is our point, and that is our first score hit. So on that 9, we get paid $35. So we're going to tell the dealer to press us across 1 unit, taking us to 6 units all the way across. And we're left with $3 on our rack. All right, here we go. Point is 9. Got a 5, a 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Sweet. 3, 2, 5. So we get paid $42 because we got 6 units on that. We get paid $42. We're going to tell the dealers to press us across 1 time. And we're going to keep the rest. We're going to keep $10. All right, here we go. Point is 9. Also, I forgot to mention, we are buying the 4 and 10 for 2-to-1 odds. All right, here we go. I'm going to count that as a no roll. It was a 3-1-4, but I don't know if you guys caught that. One of the dice landed like in front of my throwing station there and hopped up. It was a score hit, but I'm not counting that simply because that's not an accurate throw. It didn't hit the table first. It hit what I have right there in front of it and jumped on, so I'm not going to count that. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Point is 9. Still looking for our 3rd score hit. Got a 6. 6 easy. 5, 1, 6. Awesome. That will be our 3rd score hit. So we get paid $49 on that. We're going to tell the dealer to press us across 1 time again, 1 unit. So we'll now be pressed 8 units all the way across on each number. We have $30 on our rack. Here we go. We're looking for 2 more score hits. Darn it, we got a dice off the table. Sorry about that, guys. Roll doesn't count. We had a dice roll off my throwing station, unfortunately. I hate when that happens. Bugs me so much. All right, here we go. 10. 6, 4, 10. 10 easy. Perfect time to hit that 10. So we got 2-to-1 odds on that 10. So we got 8 units on that 10, which is $40. 2-to-1 odds pays us $80. Again, we're gonna pays us $80. We're gonna press are inside. One more unit, taking us to 9 units. All right, here we go. Here is hopefully our last throw. Here we go. Point is 9. And there we go. Boom. Hit it with the bang. 4, 5, 9. Beautiful. That is our point, and that's our 5th score hit. Awesome. So we got 9 units on our 9. We got $45 on there, so that pays us $63. We're going to collect that, and we're going to tell the dealer, take us down. Take us off the table. So we're going to collect, let's start from our 4. We're going to collect our 9 units from our 4, which is $45. We're going to collect 9 units from our 5, $45. 9 units from our 6, $54. 9 units from our 8, which is $54. Okay, then we've got 9 units on our 9, $45. And 9 units from our 10, $45. Plus $5 on our pass line. And I'm going to I think I lost count. I lost track of the money we had on our chip rail, but we're at $434 if you want to minus our original bankroll of our original buy-in of $160. That's a $274 profit. Now, excuse me if I'm off by a few dollars because I got there on that last one. I got a little confused. So I'll tell you it up there on the video guide for you guys, but roughly we have a $274 profit. So we're going to go ahead and keep throwing and see if we could hit that all tall small. All right, here we go. Here's a come out. We got a 415. 5 is our new point. Again, we are completely off now. All our bets are done and pulled down. Secured our profit. And we are throwing now for the all tall small. So right now we need an 8, an 11, and a 12 for our tall. And we still need we need a 2, 3, 4 for our small. Here we go. There it is, folks. There's our out. There's our out. There's our out. So that clears the all tall small. And believe it or not, we got away with this throw by we got out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 throws. We hit a point, and on our 7th throw was our 7. But that's all right. We were off and we made a profit. All right, guys. Take it easy. Thank you for watching.